Are you a budding 3D printing enthusiast looking to take your designs to new heights? Look no further, because I've got the scoop on the best 3D modeling software and tools to help you create stunning, printable masterpieces. First up, let's talk about the industry-leading software, Fusion 360. This powerful, cloud-based tool offers a comprehensive suite of design and engineering features, making it the go-to choice for many 3D printing hobbyists and professionals. With its intuitive user interface and robust capabilities, Fusion 360 allows you to easily create complex, customizable designs that are ready for the 3D printer. But if you're looking for something a little more user-friendly, consider checking out Tinkercad. This web-based application is perfect for beginners, offering a simple, drag-and-drop interface that makes it a breeze to create 3D models. Whether you're designing intricate sculptures or practical household items, Tinkercad has the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. For those who prefer open-source software, Blender is an excellent choice. This powerful, free-to-use platform offers a wide range of 3D modeling, animation, and rendering capabilities, making it a versatile option for creators of all skill levels. With a vibrant community and abundant online resources, Blender is a great way to dive into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. And let's not forget about FreeCAD, another open-source gem that's perfect for technical, engineering-focused designs. With its parametric modeling capabilities and extensive plugin ecosystem, FreeCAD is a fantastic choice for those looking to create precise, functional 3D printed parts and components. No matter which software or tool you choose, the key is to dive in, experiment, and have fun. 3D printing is all about unleashing your creativity and bringing your wildest ideas to life. And with the wealth of resources and tutorials available online, you'll be designing and printing your own custom creations in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your 3D modeling software of choice and start creating. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for even more 3D printing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Who knows, maybe your next masterpiece will be featured in one of our videos.